All right, we are on Pirates.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's pretty looking.
You never tell these days.
Oh, there's a restaurant in here. What restaurant is this?
Oh, Blue Bayou.
The Bayou? Okay. Just like at a Mexico pavilion is like this. There's a Mexican restaurant inside the Mexican pavilion and the boat ride with the three amigos.
Does this remind you of Florida?
Yes. Yeah, I feel more at home now. I just wish it was a little bit warmer. The first... We got a little cabin in the woods. Or in the swamp.
It'd be too late to alter course, mateys. And there be plundering pirates lurking
Yeah,
in every
and that's the camera, right?
waiting to board. Sit closer together.
Or maybe it doesn't have a...
No, we don't have a
That'd be the
Yeah.
best way to repel war.
All right, we're going down the hill, guys. Woo! Oh my goodness! Oh!
Son of a gun.
Oh my goodness! All right, that's totally different than ours. Much steeper and more wetness. Woo! All right, guys, we got wet. My booty butt feels wet now too. Oh, we're gonna get another one here. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Woo! Okay. That's it. No more. There we go. Hell no.
Okay, my glasses. Chess. Checkmate. They let me find a book on the table here, and then one
Alright. Definitely different music.
No fear have ye of evil curses, says you. Properly warned ye be, says I. Who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy beholders of this bewitched treasure? Dead men tell now.
Scurvy scum, and bring me Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
Alright, let's see Carlos. Yep, that's Carlos, isn't it? No, Carlos.
Where become Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Tell him.
Welcome now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an eggland.
Not less Davy Land, golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Quit your fluffing. The gentleman wants
Search all you want, Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map. And this lovely key to the treasure. Easy. Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look.
There's the piggies. Still got a dirty foot.
I humbly accept this magnificent treatment, but no reward for my lasting, skullduggery